What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So I'm about to do a little bit of a circuit test with the Porsche. Also, we have the Dodge here. We're not going to really be doing any much content on this yet because we're just doing a little bit of trial and error testing with this. However, today we're going to be really focusing on the Porsche. The new motor is in and we're running a 7200 kV motor. Not really running full power on the car because it's a press on gear that's on the motor, so therefore we don't want to raise the RPMs too high and strip the gear or shift it. So we'll be basically running at mid power today. So stay tuned, guys. Drop a like and let's see what she will do. Well, guys, all in all, you can see that the Porsche kind of performed pretty well. The suspension is still a little bit rough, but it's a little bit smooth out versus what it came in from factory. I'll be going a little bit more in depth on how I changed that out, but it's a little bit more smoother, and we can appreciate that. Turning is not too bad where the servo and the whole turn angles are concerned, which basically now we can say it's been upgraded to a full hybrid version RC car. And it's pretty fast as well. You can see that it does have good acceleration going into the corners. Braking is not too bad, even though I just allow, you could say, somewhat of compression to slow it down to go into the corners. But overall, it's a good circuit car build. And stay tuned for more. We're gonna see if we can do a little time attack with it and see what it will do. But so far it's running quite good, and definitely would recommend that motor. So drop a like again, subscribe, and stay tuned.